Okay, so I want to talk now about the pendant a little bit. We have selected a really high quality standard Schneider electric pendant. Again, every pendant has an e-stop on it. That e-stop does, again, directly control a mainline contactor. So again, every hoist has a mainline contactor. Then you have your up. This happens to be a 2-speed hoist button or hoist pendant. So you got the two up and down detents. And then you'll notice we've selected a very high quality O-Flex molded double stream relieved pendant cable, and it's stream relieved here both bottom and top. So on the hoist side and the pendant side, double stream relieved with this nice clean molded external stream release. And if you turn this over and pull the back off, you'll notice it's very easy to work on inside, lots of room, nice and clean. And you'll notice that these are all standard Schneider Electric switch blocks, which would be locally available, making it easy to service once again. So again, we think a lot about the serviceability, a lot about the quality of this hoist.